Hi, very good morning. My name is Pallavi, and I am going to talk about uh, how to overcome distractions. So, I want to tell you guys, distractions is seriously we have facing a distractions problem because nowadays we are doing just watch means we are in a bed, but when we wake up, we started to watch only on phone, like there are many status, so try to find these many status and start to think on that only. So means your morning starts from, it may be negative or it may be positive. So this is the first distraction part in your life. And like your negative thoughts, there are also distractions. Like negative environment, there are also distractions option. TV, mobile phone, watching their TV habits. There are many of more distractions problem we are facing in our life. So try to be happy, try to be positive from that in that. So what to do? I want to say you in that, if you want to overcome your distraction first. Not overcome, if you close to that distractions part, so try to understand, don't involve your negative environment, try to be stand in a positive environment only. And if you don't like that person nature means she always talking with me in a negative manner, always talking with me in a negative situation, so try to understand them, but don't talk anything to this person. Means don't give suggestion to that person, don't give suggestion, try to be positive from your side, don't talk with her or him. Try to be try to be making distance from that person. So I want to tell you second thing, means what are you watching in your early morning from your eyes, what you seeing in you using your eyes in your life, means in a morning. So this is a major distraction part in your life. So your mobile in start, you can watch your mobile after completion of your work. You may watch your mobile after 11 or 12 o'clock. Okay, but do all your work what you want to do first. Then, then try to understand. Okay, if any there is an emergency message if you have received, so you can find out, you can receive your call regular, but there is an emergency message, don't watch anyone's status. Just receive, just watch emergency messages. If you want to see your mobile, if you this is your habitual, so you start with from that point. And after that, I want to tell you, you can start your journey with a meditation. If you are if you are gaining, means if you are gaining, if you are inhaling negative thoughts from others because you are not going negative that time, so try to do meditation regular. So meditation is a different in there are many of different category in meditation. Do meditation regularly. I generally use my meditation daily in a three times, in morning, afternoon, and in evening. So try to do try to do this from one using 2 or 3 minutes, because if you don't know about meditation, you cannot do it for properly, you cannot do it regularly, because when if any want to start, so you can use your first or 2 minute only for meditation. And only one time you can do it, so you can do it for early morning when you will wake up after that. So until then again, I want to tell you, for if you have kid, okay, if you have kid and you don't have an environment, Okay, in your house there is no environment using meditation, so how to overcome all these distractions, what you want to do, what you want to learn, what you want to achieve. So in that case you need to do how to overcome those distractions. So try uh, to positive environment in your house, make a fun, not every time, but while you are eating something, while you are eating your lunch, while you are eating your dinner, or while you are eating your breakfast, try to make a fun in your house, and try to chitter chatter. We are talking like I'm talking like you need to talk continuously with anyone. Okay, that can that, but not negative thoughts, only positive thoughts. I'm talking only positive thoughts. If you're talking negative thoughts like negative things, so there was also you will achieve negative habitual thoughts. So don't try to talk about negative points, only talk positive points like chitter chatter, continuously speaking with anyone at your house. And try to, if you haven't kids, so try to play with them, with your kids. Okay, and after that, so if you overcome that distractions, you just use your 100% by yourself, give your 100% by yourself, because nobody to do it, your work, nobody will come. So you need to do by your side, by your way. Try to do your learning skills which you like most. So try to do these things regularly. And if you want to learn many things, if you want to learn most of kind of you don't have to know how to start, how to do it, then you can go through any teachers. You can go through there are many here is a YouTube channel, most of they are available, all teachers are available there. So try to talk them and try to find your doubts from theirs. And I want to tell you one thing, if you are distracted person, so uh, you will not achieve your dreams properly, because you know what, we are always talking about, means I'm always talking about motivation, I'm not talking about negative, always talking, because our channel name also motivational, and I'm always I want to know, because most of kind of ladies, most of the girls, most of the women are facing many of negative problems, because I want to share my one regular task that I have researched in these. When I saw my status, so most in a previous, when before I started my YouTube channel, that motivation channel, so means I'm just keeping those things in this 1 month. So I tried to do, when I found before 1 month, there are many of negativity in their status. When I read those thoughts, there are many of negative peoples, means they are feeling like negative, I felt that. So I tried to decide why I cannot started my motivation channel that can be able to achieve their feelings. So after that, when I started, and when I shared my journey, when I shared my overall journey with nice thoughts, with the positive thoughts, and with the motivation, so they like most. And they also means their people also getting drastic change in their life. Means when I saw after that, I'm many of people, means it's near about 90 to 95% have changing their life, really. So I want to tell you these things, this is the most drastically change. So try to be how to distract by yourself. If you are sharing your first thought, negative thoughts, so your whole day will be negative. But if you share your positive thoughts with others, so your whole day with the positive thoughts. So try to share your positive thoughts in your daily first morning. So this will be given positive environment, positive environment. Okay, saw many things, so I was happy for my friends, because many of friends they are following. And I want to share one thing. Wait, because this was a very happy moment, when I messaged to everyone on my status, good morning all, have a good day, or have a nice Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, like that, or regularly put it my status on my status. So when I started my channel, I received many of good mornings from my friends, because previous they are not given me response on my status, they only given me a response. Only one person I had received a message from her. She is my sister-in-law. Before she was given me, sent message to me on my status, like, okay Pallavi, good morning, good evening, like that, good night, like that. So after that, when I started, not started, but when I sharing my thoughts, when I had when I was sharing my things, when I sharing my thoughts, when I was sharing to them positive thoughts, so after that I received many messages from those persons. So thanks to all of you, those who are appreciating me. Thank you very much all. And see guys, my channel name is Motivation by Pallavi. And if you like my channel, if you like my content, so you can subscribe my channel and follow me on my YouTube channel. You can follow me on my Facebook also. And see, here is a nice way that I have achieved many things, because when we have positive, so from your side means using your way, your environment also get positive. Okay, so try to be positive, don't be get negative, and stay happy always like me. Thank you very much all. And if you like my video, please like it, subscribe it, and don't forget to click on notification bell icon. Okay, so bye bye all. Have a good day. Thank you.